In this section, I will take you through a random geometrical transformation code. And this lecture, we're going to focus on the first part of the code concerning moving our points randomly in the z direction. First, we start by creating a grid. In this case, a rectangular grid, which requires a base plane, size, and number of grid cells in the x and y directions. We then connect the points output of our grid to a call duplicate points component, which is not necessary for this grid, but I'll left it in case you decide to later try a different grid. Now we flatten our points output to make all our points in one list. Then we connect it to the move component. In the move component, we will need to specify the magnitude and direction of the movement. So we use the z vector component to define our direction, and we assign random values to the point's magnitude. For that, we use the random component, which requires a domain range, where we specify the range of movement we want our random values to fall within. Then I chose the number of random values input to be the same as the number of points I'm using by creating the list length component. And finally, we use this slider to change the seed value, which gives us different random formations. Now we have our points moved randomly in the z direction. In the coming lecture, we are going to build on this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to assign a geometry and randomly scale them.